Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show the weather on the lock screen on your iPhone so you can see the temperature just like this, so our similar widget. So let's get started. So in order to do that, this is going to be on the latest version of the iOS here. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I'm going to press and hold like I would to change the wallpaper. So I'm going to press and hold just like that, and you might enter your password or Face ID, and then go ahead into creating one or clicking on that customize one. So we're going to click on our lock screen from there, and then up top here it's going to be adding widget. We're going to click on widget here. From there on, you can see there's some weather widgets available for us to can use, or we can also go down a little bit further here, click on weather, and then it gives you different options to show how you want that weather temperature to show up. You can show it like this, you can show it like this, how we showed in the very first example. So we're going to click on this one as an option, and it will add it right there. And from there on, we'll click on done, and then click on done. And now we have showing our lock screen with the weather along with the other information as well. You can see it right there without having to go to the weather app. This is going to show your location of your current one. Now, if it doesn't show up, you need to check in your settings here to make sure that you're allowing under the settings here. You're just going to go into settings and then go to privacy and setting. You need to make sure location is turned on. That way it can actually see the weather, and you need to give access for weather so that they can determine where you are in order to display that. So you want to use under the weather section here while using apps or widget to be selected. If it's selected to never or any of the other ones, it will not show. So either the last two will help you so that you can see the location, weather of your current location on the lock screen on your iPhone. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS device. I'll see you guys next time.